Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super exciting video, guys, and a topic that I love talking about as well, which are perfumes. 5 scents which I have really been loving recently in 2024 that I wanted to share with you guys. And also, if you guys want to see my full perfume collection, I did the video last year, which I loved that video, and I did like an extensive scent review for each of them. So if you guys are interested, I'll be linking that video in the description box for you guys. So the first scent is the Maison Margiela replica, and this is in the scent Lazy Sunday Morning. Florence 2003, and soft skin bed linen. It's a female fragrance. I love it. It's so good. So I got this in 2021, and when I first smelt it, when I got it out of the packaging, I was like, what the heck is this? Like, I did not like it. I sprayed it on, and then when I was like doing something else, I was like, oh my god, what scent is this? It smells so good. And I realized it was this perfume. So basically, I love the middle note, like middle and like end note, is that what it's called? Really love the middle notes of this perfume. It's so good. It's like floral, musky floral kind of vibes. Like, it just smells really good, and it's very clean. So like exactly how you describe it, it's very clean. If you guys have not tried this scent out, please go try it because it's so good. And I'm down to try out more scents from Maison Margiela because I really like Lazy Sunday Morning. Next scent, guys, from Loewe. This is actually from my boyfriend in 2022. Yeah, so it's like been 2 years as well, but this is Loewe 001. It's the woman scent. And yeah, the cap is wood, has the little logo. This to me is more of like a wintry scent, like a more fall to winter. It's a warm, like coconutty, like very sweet scent, but it's not too overpowering. Like, it's not like candy sweet, it's more of like mature sweet. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I do wear this to the office because I feel like the scent is a little bit more mature, so, and like proper smelling. I don't know. I remember one time I went into my director's office to like do a meeting, and she was like, oh my god, someone smells really good, and it was probably this perfume. So yeah, I had my director compliment this scent, so every time I wear this, it just reminds me of that. All right, another scent that I want to talk about. I actually have the full size, but I just have the little like mini version right now, but the full size is like really cute packaging as well. This is Chloe, just eau de parfum Chloe, like the Chloe scent. This scent is very floral. This is more of a younger scent. So I actually had this in high school, like my first ever perfume rollerball that I wanted to get for prom. Oh my gosh, like that's insane, was Chloe. And that just goes to show like how popular the scent is, because like it's still popular to this day. It was popular back in 2018. This is giving like big spring summer vibes. So if you guys are looking for like a lighthearted spring scent, I think this Chloe scent is perfect. And I just love perfume because I talked about this in my like big collection video, but I like how scents can take you back to like a certain era in your life. And it just like is really cute because like I kind of like think about when I got each of my perfumes and like the stages, you know, throughout the years that I have worn it. I like how perfumes can be like sentimental as well, and so I really like that. This is the Diptyque Eau Rose Eau de Toilette. What's the difference between eau de parfum and eau de toilette? I'm pretty sure toilette is a little bit lighter than parfum, right? Because that one is a little bit stronger, and this one I feel like the lasting power isn't as strong, but I love, my bad. I have the Diptyque hairspray, like the hair mist. I have the Diptyque hair mist in Eau Rose, so technically I do have the perfume because the hair mist is like a more natural perfume. I feel like it makes it seem like not as strong, like the scent. So when you walk by people, they get like a whiff of this beautiful rose scent, but it's not very overpowering. But yeah, so I have this mini one. My boyfriend got me this last year, which is actually on my coffee table. So let me just share it with you guys. I love Diptyque's rose scent because there's lychee in it. So it's not just like roses, which can be a little bit overpowering. Like, I don't like roses by itself, but I don't know why I was so gravitated towards the Diptyque rose scent because my mom also has like the car freshener, and I did like some research, and I'm pretty sure there is like hints of lychee notes in their rose perfume scent. So like that kind of explains why I like it so much. So yeah, there was just like extra hints of a little bit of fruitiness in this scent, so I love that so much. And you know, I'll be using my hair mist, but I might also be purchasing the perfume version, like full size of it, after I use this up. So last scent, guys, got this literally like the summer before my first year of uni. So like 2018 summer, my Burberry blush was the scent that I remember. Like this is just brings back so many memories. So I actually got like the mini rollerball spray bottle, you know, size when I first got it, the scent, but then I went through it literally so fast that I had to buy the full size, and I'm obsessed. I love it. The packaging is just stunning. So freaking pretty. Heavy, it's like really hefty, and it's just really beautiful. Burberry has a lot of scents, like my Burberry, wait, right? Or Burberry blush? No, Burberry Her. Like Burberry does a lot of great scents. I love this one. It's just so fresh and floral. Like this is just super fresh and floral. It's a perfect everyday scent, and it's also really good for like younger demographic. Like if you're still in school, this is a great scent. It's not like too much. And also I feel like this is perfect for like if you work corporate as well. It's not overpowering, because sometimes, you know, to be mindful of others in the office, it's not good to spray such strong perfumes. But this is like perfect. It's very, very light, and this is definitely a perfume I'll be repurchasing over and over and over, just because it's so good. It's like ingrained in my memory, and it brings me back to like my youth in university. So that's that. Those are all my current favorite perfumes that I have been loving to wear every day, aka to the office. Love spraying perfume. It's just one of my favorite things ever. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any perfume recos, leave them in the description box, or like tell me what your favorite perfume is. Don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.